Hey guys, this is Eddie Ray with Outdoor Solutions from Field to Table. I've taken over putting together this RecTeq Matador because Greg, my dad, isn't very good at putting things together. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is the burner. This part did not come pre-attached. I've set it up like this just to make it easier for filming. This screw is already in the base of the burner. So you'll have to take this screw out, attach this, and then these two little guys right here come attached into the burner as well. So we've taken these out, gotten this somewhat set up for you guys just to make it easier, like I said. So right here, we'll start with the legs. It's just two sets. They fold out very simple like that. And you'll notice we've got two prongs right here. One up top and one down low. And those, conveniently, fit in these. So very simple assembly for the legs. We'll just take it, slide it down, just like that. And you'll notice these legs are adjustable. They go in, they go out, and that's for a reason. We've got this piece. This is what the burner assembly rests on. You'll notice we've got 4 prongs that'll rest on the legs. You've got to play with it a little bit to get it lined up, but eventually it works. You'll get it lined up. It comes with a wing nut. This wing nut, come over here, goes right down the center here and secures this onto the legs. So we'll just give that a quick spin, not tighten it down too much yet, just in case we need to adjust a little bit more. Which then, we'll take your burner assembly. These 2 front posts rest on this part. And that's where those 2 little screws come into play. We'll get it set on there and lined up. Now, we take these little bitty washer and little bitty nut and try and get it finger tight from the bottom. There we go. So we've got those finger tight. We've got this attached. Now, take our Phillips head screwdriver and our pliers that I don't know where they are. There you go. Use what you got. So we'll get those nice and snug so it doesn't come apart on us. Bear with me, my dad does not have the right equipment here for me. All right, we've got those down tight. And that's the hardest part. That is now over with. From here, we'll take this. This is your wind guard. You've got some holes on top right here that these prongs will line up with. Can you get those? There we go. So they'll line up with these holes on top here on the legs and lock it into place. There you go. So now, turn it around here to the burner. Oh, we'll turn it a little bit more for you guys. So you take your valve here, and it attaches on here like so. You want to push it in a little bit to tight fit. And then adjust it to where you want your connection facing. So we've got that connected now. You've got your hose. This is the side that will attach to your propane tank. This is the side that attaches here. So we'll get it snug in there, push this piece up. Thread it into place like so. Like I said, that's the hard part. So now we'll just put the handle on the lid and she'll be done. Look at that right there. Matador. So right here we've got our handle. 2 screws that come with it. So you'll note that these screws come with 2 washers. You'll want to put the flat washer on the underside of this, and this one helps it lock into place. So I'll just leave it on a flat surface like this so I can get underneath it and this thing isn't sliding all over the place. Get it started a little bit. Take your second one. Just do the same thing. So now that we've got those loosely screwed in, we'll flip it up. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and finish tightening it down. There's your lid assembled. So now, all that's left to do is get this beautiful thing. There it is, there's the RecTeq logo. Set her on top. Line it up a little better. Boom, there you go. That is how you put together a RecTeq Matador. All right, now that we've got the RecTeq Matador all put together, let's get cooking and click up here to go watch us cook a mean stir fry.